So these are the KÜHL Renegade shorts. So this is like the blue color, navy. But I just love these. I have the Renegade pants, but now I'm trying the shorts. And I love these pockets. They kind of have a mesh material, so nice and lightweight. And you got these back pockets that Velcro. So there you go. So I really love the Velcro pockets. And then instead of like cargo shorts, they have a zippered pocket here, which is great because then you can just stick something here, but it doesn't have that cargo pocket look. And same thing on this side, you have another zippered pocket there. So I just really enjoy these. Like I said, I had the pants, but now I'm trying the shorts, and these are just great. I really enjoy them. You know, they have a nice look to them, a nice feel, you know, for hiking, biking, and they have that material, the water kind of rolls off. You know, they're not waterproof, but kind of that water resistant material. This is the other pair I have, which is kind of like an olive green, hunter green, I'm not really sure. These are size 30, so my waist is a 30-inch waist, so this is how they fit. But definitely recommend these. They're the Renegade KÜHL shorts. So love it. You got a little bungee on the back, the KÜHL logo. So really nice. And inside is kind of this, you know, there's the pocket there, and kind of like a mesh inside. But these are great. Honestly, I machine wash them all the time, and they last forever. And I definitely recommend KÜHL products, but especially I love their shorts and their pants. I really want to get some more pairs, actually. So definitely recommend that. Looks good, doesn't it?